Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us relate, transcribe, and sound the following words together. Before transcribing the words, there is need for us to open up the slashes. And that's exactly what I'm doing now. And remember, word transcription can help to improve our memories. Okay, I'm done. The first word here is gallon. That's it. People, water, preserve, oil, cake, juice. Okay, let me close them up so we can sound them together. All right, let's go. Gallon, paper, water, preserve, oil, cake, juice. Gallon, paper, water, preserve, oil, cake, juice. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video.